Hello children, today we will start lesson 20 asking questions. Now all this long you wrote answers. I asked you questions and you wrote answers. Now you will ask questions for which I will write the answer. First I will give you the answer to which you will write the question. Alright? So what, when, which, why, who, how are question words. What, which, why, when, who, how. All these are question words. Understood? We begin a question with these words. These WH words make questions. And how. Alright? All these are question words. So we use these words to begin a question. For example, what is your name? What is your name? This became a question. Which is your favorite fruit? Like if I give you a basket of fruits, there are many fruits. So there we will ask which is your favorite fruit. When there are a lot of options and you got to choose from them, we use which. Which is your favorite fruit? Why? This why is used to make questions for answers when you want reasons. Alright? When you want reasons, like why did not you come to school? Why did not you come to school? Any answer can be there. I did not go to school because I went to a birthday party. Okay. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? So when is used when you want to know about time. Who is used when it is related to any person or thing, like who is at the door? Who is at the door? If somebody knocks your door, what do you ask? Who is at the door? And lastly, how? How are you? How are you? This is a question. I'm fine, I'm doing great. Okay? So these all are the question words. Understood? On that note, we will do the first exercise. Here, you have to use the correct question word to begin each question in page number 113. Yes? Then, you have to complete the answer yourself. The first one is, which is your favorite subject? This is the answer. Which is your favorite subject? So, my favorite subject is, you write whichever is your favorite subject, English, Hindi, Math, Geography, Science, History, whatever. I am writing English. My favorite subject is English. Now, this one, B. Dash teaches you this subject. Who teaches you this subject? So, it will be who, because it is related to a person. Which person teaches you the subject? So, it will be who teaches you this subject. So, whichever your subject is, like it is not necessary for you to write English because I have written English here. Whichever is your favorite subject, you write your favorite subject and then you write the name of that teacher. Yes? Like for example, if it is maths, I am taking this. If your favorite subject is maths, then you write Sonu Miss teaches me maths. Sonu Miss teaches me maths. Next one. Dash did you start learning this subject? So from when you started learning the subject? So the question word will be, when did you start learning this subject? I started learning this subject. I started learning whichever subject, you write the name of the subject in class, whichever class you started learning the subject. From nursery you start learning maths, no? So you can write that. Next is, dash do you learn in this subject? What do you learn in the subject? What do you learn in the subject? The question word is, what do you learn in the subject? So in this subject, I learn. You write the concerned details of the subject. You describe the subject. Like in maths, what do you learn in maths? In maths, you learn addition, no, multiplication, etc. You write that. Am I clear, children? The next one, dash. Do you like this subject? Why do you like this subject? Now see, how can you know which question word to use? How can you know which question word to use? When you learn the answer. I told you, when do we use why? We use why when we want a reason. Yes, I like this subject because is used when you put a reason. Alright. So it will be, I like this subject. Oh, sorry, this will be why. Why do you like this subject? I like this subject because it is interesting to me, or it fascinates me. Whatever your reason is, you can write that. And last one, F. How do you perform in this subject? How? Now how do I know this? Why to write how? Because I usually get this grades. Again, you can explain in the answer. I usually get good grades in maths. I score well in maths, or I get good grades in Hindi, or whichever subject you like, you can write that. Alright children, so we are done for this class. You learn and revise, and in case you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you children, and have a great day.